English essay. Our national flag. Our national flag. On the Independence Day and the Republic Day, our national flag is unfurled on the Red Fort, government offices, and private buildings. Even schools and colleges have flag hoisting ceremonies. We salute the flag and sing the national anthem. Our national flag is also called the tricolor or the tiranga. It has bands of three colors. The top band is saffron. It is a symbol of patriotism and sacrifice. The middle band is white. It is a symbol of peace. The bottom band is green. It is a symbol of prosperity. There is a blue colored Ashok Chakra in the center of the white band. It stands for progress. Our national flag is a symbol of our hopes and aspirations. It stands for national unity and glory. We should respect our national flag. We should be proud of it. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.